Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. We take the 6 egg yolks, we break them, and we're gonna add half of the amount of sugar. We need the other half for the egg yolk, for the egg whites.